video in ring style on Kinemaster. The process of this video is very easy and simple, so watch the full video and carefully. Please subscribe to channel, like and share this video. Open Kinemaster, select white color from media and click layer, go to hand right and make a gold black shape. Do the round shape 4 times and make a chain. After it work, go to layer media and choose colorful video and select on chain. Click the colorful video, go to blending option and select lighten. I think your video is ready and play it. Thanks for watching the video.